What's up, guys? Welcome to Crypto Bros, where every day is a party. My name is Rodney, and today is a super exciting day. Crypto Bros YouTube channel broke 1,000 subscribers, and I'm super jazzed about that. Thank you guys for all being super awesome. And actually, in today's video, I'm going to be shooting two videos today because I have so many different things that I want to talk about. I wouldn't even know how to title the video, so I'm just going to make two videos. The other video that I'm going to make, if you're into the lending platform thing, I know some of you guys hate it, so I'm hesitant to even put it out there, but I do that as a passive income. I use a lot of those profits to invest into other coins, but what I'm going to be doing in the other video tonight is a breakdown of the Vechain gold. We are in the final 7 days before the fork in the Vechain, where everybody gets free Vechain gold if you are invested or lending on the platform. So I'm going to make another video on that, so if that's not your thing, you don't have to watch it. But in today's video, we're just going to cover some really cool things. That was terrible. We're going to cover a bunch of stuff, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, IOTA, I saw it today at 425. Seems to be making a nice recovery from some of the negative news that we got last week about the non-partnership with Microsoft. And some people still don't believe in this. I'm still a long-term holder here, and I'm going to continue to sit on this coin and pick up more as we go. So there is that. Secondly, I showed this website the other day about upcoming events and whatnot. This is coinmarketcal.com. If I remember to do that, I will post it in the links below, but you can kind of check out different events that come up, and a lot of people use this as like a gauge. So tomorrow, no, what's today, the 18th? So the 20th, Fun Fair, which is actually, I think was up about, we can check it out in a second, but I think they were up 30 or 40% today. They're having a company update, a wider, more comprehensive company update on December 20th. I'm not saying that this will have a large impact. Like, some of these don't do anything. Others have a pretty substantial impact, and we'll actually swing over here and check this out really quick just to see how it's doing. Look at that, 33.75%. Looks like it is coming down a little bit, but who knows what type of impact that will have with what is going on the 20th. But back to the calendar, one thing that I do want to point out is Vechain. It's this right here. The code, and you can get this on Binance. I picked it up this morning. There's a bunch of things going on with, I don't want to say with this coin, but this is one of the factors why things are kind of blowing up today. I believe earlier this morning it was at $1.29. We'll check it out. But let's see. Now it's at $1.66. So things are going well here. I got in around $1.50, so I'm doing okay on that. But the theory behind what this upcoming pump is, I mean, I've seen some guys say up to 200%, and somebody even say 500% on this coin. I actually don't know anything about it, so I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I did a bunch of research. I saw a recommendation from a guy that I trust in the world, and I bought it. So basically, the things that you need to know are this event right here on December 21st. Trust tracking begins on the, I'm not even going to try to read that word, masternode selection process. This was also hyped up pretty heavily on YouTube by two different YouTubers who are big into altcoins. Actually, I'm going to take a look here, because I wrote this down so I wouldn't butcher it, but I clearly butchered it, so I'm just going to read what I wrote. Okay, so let me see. Oh, okay, the other thing is they released, they were doing some governmental level partnership in China, whatever that means, and they've released on another exchange today. So all of those things combined with FOMO, fear of missing out, you guys know that, usually make for a strong pump. So I picked some up, not a huge allotment, but I did grab some today in anticipation for this. The cool thing is that at some point I will look into what this coin is, but what they're saying, and some of the things that I'm briefly reading is that there are some long-term benefits for holding on to this. I think same guy that I trust, I think he bought one full Bitcoin worth of this coin today, so that should say something if you have 20K to throw at a coin. So there is that. It is Vechain. You can get it on Binance. If you haven't signed up for Binance yet, I do have my link posted below that will save you 50% on any like trading transactions that you want to do. And the weird thing is, it's actually not even weird, but Bittrex, whoa, that was some puppy damage back there. Bittrex actually like halted like signups. I have a couple friends who are getting into this and are trying to sign up on certain exchanges, and Bittrex halted it because of the number of users. They can't manage it well, or their site, not them. The site can't handle the traffic, so they did put a pause on there for the time being. So anyway, you can pick this up on Binance. What else do we got? Okay, I covered the 1,000 subscribers, so that's cool. I think I was going to touch on Tron and Verge. Actually, it was Verge. There's actually been quite a few videos that have come out on this coin. It is another privacy coin, and it's surged up from under a penny, or from about 1 penny to now we're at 6 over the last couple days, and a lot of people continue to buy in on this coin. As you can see right here, it is the the fourth traded coin on Binance with Tron, which I actually did a video on. I think it was yesterday. A video on Tron. Here that is. This is at 4 cents. Both of these coins I took positions on around the 1 to 2 cent mark, so we are profitable here, and I've kind of cost averaged up. So yeah, there is that. Last thing for today is I'm still seeing a ton of hype on Ripple, and people are really looking forward to this $1 mark. A lot of people have taken, stop trades, pulled money out of coins that are moving sideways and going back into Ripple. So hold your shorts. That was a terrible analogy. Whatever. Hold your shorts. We're just going to go with it. So hang on here, guys. I think the projections are showing dollar coming sooner than we maybe thought, but a lot of people are pushing for it and taking larger positions in Ripple. So if you're one of those guys, it may be worth looking into, moving some more positions into Ripple. Man, I butchered that whole thing. We're going to roll with it, though. So that's all I have, guys. Again, I will be doing the video on Siacoin Gold and summing that up a little bit later tonight, but overall, that's what I have for today. Oh, wait, there was one more thing. It was this. I took a position in this coin over the weekend. This is called Siacoin. This is a trader that I follow on TradingView. I've talked about this before. Very thorough, good knowledge here, breakdown, yada, yada, yada. The coin, and we'll check it out just really quick while I have this. Oh, wait, maybe we won't. Well, anyway. Yeah, shoot, I don't have this, I don't have Bittrex up, but as you can see, shit, I'm pretty much butchering this at this point, but anyway, guys, I took a position here. It looks like there's a ton of room to make trades. Oh, actually, this is what I wanted to say. If you wanted to open trade, you can get in at 82 and 88, and then this came out 43 minutes ago. It's showing bullish signs on the chart, so tonight, if you wanted to get this coin, you can get it on Bittrex. So that's all I got, guys. I knew this video was a hot mess, but thanks for bearing with me, and I'll catch you guys a little bit later tonight.